In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to assemble the Llama kids bike. Please ensure you have fully read the provided instruction manual and safety information before assembling your bike. Please note that this video also applies to the bikes that are on the screen now. Before assembling the bike, ensure all packaging is removed. Start by slotting the stem into place, making sure the cables are not tangled. Ensure the handlebars are correctly aligned with the forks. Adjust the handlebars to the required height, making sure they are not positioned higher than the minimum mark on the stem. Use the spanner provided and turn clockwise until it is firmly tightened. Slot the saddle post into place, making sure that it is not positioned higher than the minimum mark. Once set to the desired height, turn the spanner clockwise to tighten the seat bolt. The pedals are labelled depending on which side of the bike they need to be fitted on. The left pedal needs to be tightened anti-clockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Start by tightening them with your fingers, then fully tighten them with the spanner provided. Start by loosening the front brake cable nut so that the wheel can be placed into position. We recommend placing the bike upside down when attaching the wheel. Place the wheel in position, ensuring that it is straight. Next, slide the retention washer into place. Then, tighten the wheel nuts with your fingers. To ensure that the wheel is aligned straight, evenly tighten the left and right wheel nuts with the spanner. To readjust the brake, apply tension to the cable until the brake pads are between 1 and 3 mm of clearance between the brake pad and the wheel rim. You can now tighten the nut. Check that both front and rear wheel nuts are firmly tightened before using the bike. Test both brakes work correctly and are not rubbing on the wheel. Check that the saddle doesn't move. Make sure that the wheels do not move side to side. Additionally, check that the tyre pressure is correct. The Llama kids bike needs to be inflated to 36 psi. Ensure the pedals are properly tightened. Finally, check the handlebars are firmly attached. Your bike is now ready to use.